Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your US Bank credit card digital wallet access, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the US Bank official website. Log into your online banking account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services menu. Select the Manage Cards option from the drop-down. Locate the credit card you wish to update. Click on the digital wallet or wallet settings link associated with that card. Choose the digital wallet you want to access, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Follow the prompts to add your credit card to the selected digital wallet. Enter the necessary information, including the card number and expiration date. Review the terms and conditions, then confirm your entry. After successful verification, your credit card will be added to the digital wallet. Exit the US Bank website by signing out of your account. Open the digital wallet app on your device. Check to ensure your US Bank credit card appears in the wallet. If necessary, complete any additional verification within the digital wallet app. Now your US Bank credit card is ready for use in your digital wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.